What's up, mother lovers? Okay, nakita ko tong video na to and ilang seconds pa lang ang nape-play ko natatawa na ako. Kaya panoorin natin ngayon. Okay? So itong ating Bini ay nandun pa rin sa Amerika. Magsiuwi na kayo, Bini. Magsiuwi na kayo. Nag-guest sila dun sa Fox LA. Basta dun sa Fox may palabas dun. May interview sila. Pero tsaka natin panoorin yun pag nag-live na lang. Okay? And etong ating Bini Joanna, ang isa sa aking mga bias ay syempre, alam mo naman ang ating mahilig, napaka-epal na Bini Joanna ay mukhang feeling ko ganito nangyari dito. Feeling ko lang naman. Of course, I'm not sure. I'm not there. So, itong si Joanna, malamang nakita niya yung set kasi na interview sila sa isang news program. Okay? So, siguro nakita niya na may mga nandun yung set, 'di ba? Tapos parang she probably blurted out loud na parang I wanna experience being the weather girl or something. Okay? So ngayon narinig siya ng weather girl nga doon. So ngayon eto nandun siya sa set at bigla siyang napasalang. Pinagbigyan siya nitong weather girl. Okay, kung sino man to, maraming salamat sa iyo. So, panoorin natin. Tingnan natin kung nakakatawa talaga. Okay, hindi ko pa natatapos eh. So, let's see.
Hey guys, we're back and I've been talking to Bini and
Okay.
you know what? I think I like to fulfill, people's bucket list stuff. And so I think one of them wants to...
Ayun diba? So, feeling ko, nung kaya niya sinabi yan, malamang nalaman niya. Paano niya nalaman? Di malamang nagkukwentuhan sila. Alam mo naman ng si Joanna napaka-ingay niyan. Diba? So, eto.
do a little bit of weather. So let's see. We're gonna talk to what's your
Or pwede rin naman may research, 'di ba, na parang this one member, we have one member who dreams about being a newscaster, ganyan. So maaring may research. So that's a possibility. Pero if I have to bet on it, malamang napabuladas lang tong si Joanna eh.
Please tell me again. Joanna, come here.
Ayan,
come
yan,
here,
yan, yan.
Joanna. Now you're wearing
Oh,
a little
diba?
bit of green on
Ang ganda ni Joanna eh.
your jacket. See how it keys out.
Okay, nag-chroma key. Okay,
Just a little bit, but
naka-green
you look
screen.
good. Of course you do. So this is my green screen here. And what I
Okay.
do is I look at these monitors and see the graphics, and we're gonna point. Yeah, we just look on this
Naku.
side. We're gonna point to the green stuff. And all I do is like read.
Okay, so ngayon pa lang siya tinuturuan, 'di ba? Wala pa siyang walang dry run. So it was not she was not briefed in advance. Dito mismo, impromptu, doon mismo pagsalang sa kanya, ganito ang ginagawa natin dyan. And ganito yan doon sa doon sa set, hindi ganyan ang itsura, 'di ba? Ang itsura ng set, green screen lang siya. Itong pader na to, wala siyang TV sa likod niyan. Doon sa mga hindi lang alam doon sa mga alam kung ano yung green screen, alam niyo na kung anong ibig sabihin. Pero sa set, yung nakikita ni Joanna mismo, hindi niya nakikita niya lang green na pader doon sa likod niya. Tapos sabi niya, merong TV na doon siya magre-refer. Doon nila nakikita yung sarili niya para malaman yung ituturo niya, 'di ba? So keep that in mind. So medyo lost ka. It will take a little bit of getting used to 'di ba? Kung biglaan first time mong gagawin 'yon, malamang hindi pa naka-wire sa utak mo yung galaw, 'di ba? Kung saan ka titingin, 'di ba? Tapos malilito-lito ka pa. Tingnan mo yung pwesto niya, nandoon siya sa kagilid-gilidan 'di ba? Kung medyo sanay na siya, medyo aayos yung position niya malamang. Okay, tuloy natin.
The text here. Okay. Yes. So you want to do the forecast?
Ang tapang din ito si Joanna eh. Di ba? Di ba? Ang tapang din eh. Hindi, wala siyang kamuhang-muhang pero okay. Ito basta bahala na. Maski Pops. Di ba?
Yes,
Yan ang
today.
gusto ko sa'yo mag Joanna eh. Kaya ano eh.
How do I start it?
How do I start it? How do I start it daw? Di ba? But it's this is feeling ko magiging cringe fest ito ng ating Bini Joanna. It's the cringe fest that we all love about her. Okay? So, mo, 'di ba? Confidently, well, ano rin naman, alam niya na siguro live to, 'di ba? So wala nang bawian 'yan. So it's live and she's a performer. She's gonna wing it. And also, ano niya eh, lagi niyang pinapangatawanan niya talaga na dream niya maging ganyan eh. So isa 'yun sa kasamang core identity niya eh, na parang journalist. Gusto niya maging journalist, that she believes that she can do it, 'di ba? So ano 'yan, palaban talaga si Joanna pagdating sa mga ganyang bagay.
Say hi, I'm Joanna.
So the weather for today is like
Okay na mo, nandun siya sa gilid, awkward nung framing niya, 'di ba? Kasi hindi niya pa alam eh.
like that.
Yes, that's right. That's right. First of all, we're gonna say that this weather is actually sponsored by.
Okay, so etong si Madam, alam niya kung paano pumosisyon kasi alam niya na yung alam niya na yung space, 'di ba? Kabisado niya na yon. Si Joanna hindi pa, kaya ang awkward nung position niya sa camera, 'di ba?
Pachanga Resort Casinos. Yes, and
Okay.
as you can see, it's gonna be mostly sunny today.
Oh, and cooler.
That's right.
Yes.
See, she's got it. And cooler. What else?
And we will also have a light rain
That's
this
right.
late Saturday to early
Late Saturday.
Sunday.
That's right.
Okay, so hindi pa siya hindi niya pa medyo natigilan siya doon. Light rain, late Saturday.
Light snow above 6,500 degrees.
Nako! Mali! Mali, Joanna! Hindi. Bakit degrees? Light snow above 6,500 feet. Nalito siya dito sa doon sa sign ng feet, degrees. Although malapit din naman. Pero walang 6,500 degrees. No, pero patawarin na natin si Joanna. Isa pa, yung feet kasi siguro nawala lang siguro sa isip niya. And also, sa Amerika kasi, it's important to note na English yung system nila sa pagdating sa mga sukat, 'di ba? So, yung sa atin kasi metric yung sa atin. So, meter, kilometer, 'di ba? Kilometer, millimeter, 'di ba? So, kung yun yung sukat ng distance sa atin or height or weight or width. Yung sa US, English yung kanila. So, feet, 'di ba? 6,500 feet. So, feet, inches, yards, yun yung kanila. Miles, ganyan. Okay? So, medyo malamang di na isip ni Joanna yun. Okay?
And another weak storm. Mid.
That's right.
So, okay. Another week storm midweek kasi parehas may week. So, medyo napabungis-ngis siya.
Late Saturday to early Sunday.
That's right.
Plus light snow above 6,500 degrees. And another weak storm. Mid.
That's right.
Ewan ko kung ba't tawag-tawa ako dito. Kay Joanna talaga. Mid-storm, midweek. Sa bagay, no? Kasi, iba kasi yung iba kasi yung topography. Ibig sabihin, iba yung kalupaan sa kanila, 'di ba? So, iba yung weather sa kanila. So, it's, 'di ba, parang weird sa atin eh. It's another weak storm. Mahinang bagyo, 'di ba? Sa atin walang ganun sa Pilipinas eh. 'Di 'Di ba? Kaya malamang medyo, ano tong weak storm? Tama ba to? 'Di ba? Malamang 'yun ang naiisip niya eh. Kasi there's no such thing as a weak storm dito sa Pilipinas. Pag may bagyo dito, malakas lahat ng bagyo sa Pilipinas kahit signal 1 lang 'yan, 'di ba? So, yung storm, typhoon sa atin, 'di ba? There's no such thing as a weak storm. Kaya feeling ko medyo so short circuit ang utak niya na parang tama ba tong sasabihin ko? Anong weak storm? Tapos midweek. Diba? So I think there's a lot of cultural elements happening during this time, and she knows that she's screwing up, but she's such a soldier na parang tatawanan niya lang, and I really love that about her. She's a very mentally strong person, and not a lot of people can do this, what she's doing, without crumbling, 'di ba? And the fact that she put herself in this situation, that probably adds a lot to why it's also funny for her, 'di ba?
See, I'm going to say a little Tagalog. So, she's a natural talaga. Right? Yeah, she's a natural. Okay, so rainfall totals we've had so far.
Okay.
So, for
Ganda ni Joanna, tangkad.
rainfall, we have 18.98
Inches.
inches.
We've had a lot.
Okay, so medyo inassist siya ni Madam. Okay, inches. Okay, kasi malamang napansin niya 'yun eh. For sure napansin ni Madam na nagkamali siya dun sa feet. Hindi niya lang siya kinorek. Ang sabi ni Joanna kasi degrees, 'di ba?
Rain this season, actually. So, we have a surplus of over 5 inches of rain. So, you know when
'di ba medyo dito kasi sa atin hindi masyadong ewan ko medyo itong weather forecast, kailangan mo rin ng kailangan alam mo rin yung sinasabi mo 'di ba? So bakit merong surplus ng rain? These are tawag dito mga numbers na pag kahit ako tingnan ko to ano yung 18.98 inches year to date. 'Di ba? Medyo mag-iisip pa ako eh. Titingnan ko pa kung ano bang nangyayari dito. Ano ba tong mga graph na to? Water year October 1, 'di ba? Parang so it helps a lot. Hindi mo basta siya magagawa basta-basta kung wala kang background or at least you're not briefed enough doon sa weather, 'di ba? Yung mga numbers, ano bang ibig sabihin ng mga 'yan sa mga terms, 'di ba? So, kailangan para ma-explain mo siya at ma-present mo siya ng maayos.
18.98
inches.
inches.
We've had a lot of rain this season, actually. So, we have a surplus of over 5 inches of rain. So,
diba,
you know,
diba, hindi, how would you know that? Diba? Siyempre, hindi alam ni Joanna yun.
you went to Coachella? That's right here. Here's Palm Springs. You see it?
Titingnan niya yung TV kasi dito nakaturo siya. Pag tumingin si Joanna dito sa tinuturo niya, tawag dito, ang makikita niya lang doon, green screen, 'di ba? So she had to refer doon sa screen doon sa gilid para makita niya kung ano ba yung tinuturo sa nitong si Madam.
Yes. Yeah, I know. It was very windy.
That's
Yes.
right.
It
See,
was
so
very
all
windy.
these areas here, shaded in the tan color, is where? What do we have there? Wind.
Yeah, so
Grabe, para namang quiz tong ginawa ni Madam. Sa bagay, may mga 'di ba? May mga tawag dito, may mga performances na na-cancel dahil masyadong mahangin, 'di ba? Yung isang artist, mag-guest daw si Lisa doon tapos hindi natuloy dahil dun sa wind.
we have our wind advisory until
Di niya alam
Sunday
kung saan.
11 a.m. So
Yes.
make sure to stay alert.
Okay, how
Oh,
about the
in fairness, ang ganda ng rehistro ng boses talaga ni Joanna. Bungis-ngis. Bungis-ngis na lang. Di ba? Balikan nga natin.
So
Yes.
make sure to stay alert.
Okay, how about the high temperatures?
She's cringing so hard.
Today, because this is important. People want to know how the temperature is going to be this afternoon.
Okay, so sorry, what's that again?
Temperature. These are going to be the temperatures this afternoon.
I can just imagine the rest of the Beanie Girls. They're also cringing so hard at the back, off screen, di ba? Tapos, ano ba yan, di ba? And I don't know if anyone, siguro kaya ni Maloy at saka ni Stacy itong ginagawa ni Joanna. Pero let's say si Colette, malamang si Colette, si Gwen, well, they'll carry on, di ba? Si Aya, malamang feeling ko kakayanin ni Aya yan eh. Pero si Maloy at si Colette talaga. Si Mika, she might wing it. Pero feeling ko magseseryoso si Aya tsaka si Mika. Si kasi kumbaga talaga magla-lock in yun, 'di ba? Feeling ko ganun ang magiging reaction nila na parang si Joanna kasi parang okay lang sa kanya na maging nakakatawa eh. Pero still she wants to maintain a certain composure kasi meron nga siyang paniniwala na na kaya niyang gawin yan yung trabaho, 'di ba? Pero kung si Maloy yan, ako tawanan na ng tawanan diyan, si Sheena, si Maloy, si Stacy. Si Sheena, di ko alam. Ano siya? She's gonna wing it and she's probably gonna turn it into a comedy skit, which is 'di ba? Pero si Joanna, I think she understand the formality of what she's doing, 'di ba? So she's got a little bit more respect on that. Okay?
Oh,
Yes.
so today we have. Am I gonna say everything? Okay.
Nakakatawa talaga siya.
We just do a
Okay,
little sprinkle.
so in Las Vegas we have 83.
That's right.
You know what? To me, that's a tell of a confident character. 'Di ba? Na parang this is a high pressure situation. 'Di ba? This is a really high pressure situation. And she's screwing up big time. She knows it, but she's handling it as elegantly as possible. 'Di ba? That's why it's actually kumbaga for me, this is very interesting because this situation tells a lot about Joanna's character, her confidence, her state of mind, and skill as a leader, as tawag dito, yung nag-i-improvise, yung improvisation skills niya is at full display in here. But syempre, limited yung niya, yung kaya niyang gawin kasi una hindi pa siya sanay kasi medyo tricky yung naka-green screen eh. And it's live, there's pressure, and like these numbers, ano ba yan, 'di ba? Tinanong niya pa kung ano ba yan, ano bang number yan. Kahit ako di ko alam eh, 'di ba? So ano ba 'tong 67 na 'to, 'di ba? Malay mo bilang pala yan ng namatay na kung ano. So di mo alam, 'di ba? So pero sa bagay nakalagay high temps, 'di ba? Temperature, 'di ba? But still again, temps could be something else. And also another thing is sa kanila hindi Celsius yung unit ng temperature sa kanila. It's Fahrenheit, 'di ba? So panoorin natin 'to.
Yes, in India where the Coachella happened, 91.
It's hot. It wasn't
91, di niya nasabi yung degrees dito, 91 degrees. Kasi naman walang nakalagay na na degrees symbol, 'di ba?
so hot for you, or was it?
It was hot, but it was also very windy, so
Yes.
we didn't really feel the hotness.
That's why the
But we
wind is
bring
rising.
hotness to the
Oh
scene.
my
Yes,
God.
you do. Thank you. She's a good sport. She's a good sport. Thank you, Bini. Thank you, Bini Band.
Very
Bini,
nice.
by the way, means what?
Bini Bini young lady in.
That's right,
Yeah.
young lady.
Yes.
Okay, back to you. You did great. So good. Great.
Good job, Joanna. Good job. Diba? It's nice. It's nice. And I really enjoyed this clip way more than I should. Okay? Yun lang. Paalam.